Both gold and silver achieved the highs at 1870 and 2220. I expected the levels to go along the breeze and successfully traded in green. Now what is going to happen today, which levels we should take, everything gonna tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, first on gold followed with silver. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session. And those who are interested into other markets and commodities including oil and natural gas and markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE Germany, India, they can watch the other analysis as well. Do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Now see, on the hourly chart it appears that gold has seen the high and it is giving lower highs. Now it is trying to reverse from here. It is trying to create a symmetry. The next destination now it appears should be somewhere here at 1860 first support and then 1855 the next support. These two support levels, it has to break below this. We may see gold acting bearish and we may see a good fall. What it has done till now on the hourly charts is just trade in this channel. The channel lows right now at around 1850 253 levels, so I'll be watchful till those levels. It may try to break and if it is still bullish it may try, because see this is the upward slope here. It is still a bullish slope and if it tries to achieve the low and sustains this, possibly it may bounce back, so I will be watchful of that. Any long entry is only above 1870. The directional movement is crossing for a bullish, and if you look at the other indicators here, see the stochastic was near to top there, it is looking downwards, and MACD has crossed over for a sell here. So mixed indication, and yes, RSI also looking downwards. Let's have a look more into different time frames on the 2 hour chart. See, here is the support at 1858 level. This is the 20 period moving average. Right now it is trying to create a symmetry. I think a good drop should come, which will try to take it towards 1855 levels, the support levels. First 1858 and then 1855. These two levels I will be watchful of, and then follow to that 1852 should provide a support. So today if it breaks for 1852, you can expect there should be a good fall which will try to take it towards further down. Else, as I said, it is trying to trade in this channel, largely on this channel and on the minor time frames in this zone. So higher highs are getting created, and yes, with those higher highs it is trying to sustain those levels. So yes, this is what is the observation. The directional movement is trying to converge for a bearish crossover. It is still distant apart. Right now it is bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is also on the verge of a crossover for a sell-off. The RSI is looking downwards, so indicating little bearishness there. If you look at the 3 hour chart, now look at the 3 hour charts. Interestingly, here are the lower highs, higher lows, and then lower highs. So this candle is trying to give you a breakout. A breakout candle should be uh, good enough red for it to to be called it as a breakout, and hence I will be looking forward to at least 1858 1855 levels on this candle, and then followed with that there could be a second red candle which will try to bring it again till towards 1852 50 levels, and below that we may see a sharper fall. So I'll be cautious with the longs there. Possibly it is trying to give you a breakout here, and I don't see any long till 1870 for sure. Beyond 1870 only I'll recommend you to go long. See, the 3 hour stochastic is overbought here. Hence it may try to drop a little. MACD is also on the verge of crossover. Hence it may try to drop a little. RSI is looking downwards here. On the 4 hour chart, similarly on the 4 hour charts, what it is trying to create, it is trying to possibly give you a symmetrical move here. See the roof or the top here at around 1870, and now with that it is trying to create a symmetry. Possibly it may try to create higher lows here on both the candles and come back till towards at least 1855 and 1852 levels. It may try to come back here, but that should still be good enough for it to keep in a upward bullish momentum. So this is a channel, and the channel lows at around 1855, and then the second channel lows at around 1852 levels. Below this, you can expect it to drop till towards 1845, 40 and 36 levels. Now the directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge, and if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here, near to overbought levels, trying to look back downwards. The MACD is again trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly on the daily charts, if you look at, see on the daily charts, you can find that this bullish candle failed to reflect the same bullishness what was there despite having the 3 steps getting created. Now in fact it is trying to trade in this channel with a very minor slope. The slope is not steep enough, and a breakout beyond 1872 should be considered as a good breakout, else it may try to come back down. Now look at this, it is trying to come back and it may try to get some support here at 1855-54 levels. As I told, below that 1850 levels should come into picture, and below that we may see a sharper fall, or else it may try to create a similar candle going forward from here. So may try to come back here, and then from next day we can see a good fall. That is my expectation. Probably if it sustains below 1870, one can remain short for 1854-55 levels, the first target. Then followed with that we can look forward to another targets. I'll give you that the levels, just watch a little more. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is overbought on the daily charts, hence may look forward to a drop. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bullish here, and that is one indication that is probably a good indication to remain long. However, I will recommend to stay long for above 1870 only. The directional movement is RSI is flat here, so considering this for the day, see these levels at 1870 are going to be important. Also if it breaks 1870, we can expect 1875 levels to provide a support. See also, once it breaks this zone at 1870, probably one can expect 1875, and in fact it can try to hit back till towards 1880 levels. So yes, that is one probability for the for ones who are looking forward to a buy from here. However, I will be expecting it to drop a little before it looks forward to any further rise. So any move beyond 1870 will be a very strong move. We'll try to take it towards 1881, 1891 and 2000 level, 1900 levels. So yes, it can try to reach those highs if it sustains above 1870 levels. You can remain long above those levels for sure. At the same time, on the downside, till the time it is below 1870, my first target which it should achieve is at around 1858 and then towards 1854. These two levels should get achieved, and there is a stronger support at 1850, below which I will be bearish again. So yes, below 1870, or rather I say now below 1865, you can remain short. The target is towards 1858 and 1854 levels. If it breaks those two, then 1850 is certain. Below 1850 I will be little bit bearish, and I will be expecting it to come back till towards 1840 levels and 1836 levels. So trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Above 1870 go long, till the time it is below 1865 you can remain short. So right now it is 1862, it means you can remain short, but put your stop loss at around 1865 levels and expect it to drop till towards 1858, or rather take an entry at 1865 itself. That is also very much possible. Expect it to drop till towards 1858, then 1854 levels, and watch out there at those levels. If it bounces back, then please keep close your targets. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver achieved the highs at 2220, formed the double top, stronger resistance there. With that as resistance, now 2210 is also, 2215 is also providing it a resistance. It is trying to create a symmetry. However, look at this. See, if you consider this, it is trying to give you this narrowing triangle. So any breakout below 2200, very good level to go short there at 2200. Then one can expect that it will try to come back to 2190, 2180 levels, which are going to be stronger support, and at those levels I will be watchful of how it behaves. Any point of time, if you see it trading above 2215, yes, you can go long. Between 2200 2215, do not trade. Directional movement is on the verge of conversion. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell off there. The RSI is looking downwards. If you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, lower highs are getting created, but at the same time higher lows are getting created. It is looking forward to a breakout. So any breakout below 2200 will be a very good level to remain short. At the same time, any move beyond 2215 will be a very good level to go long, but then 2200 is a very strong resistance, and then it will try to fly till towards 2235 levels, possibly 2240 levels, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Directional movement, if you look at it, is still bullish. The stochastic is near to top. The MACD is still bullish, but trying to converge, indicating the bullishness is diminishing and may try to cross over for a sell. The RSI is trading flat. Similarly on the 3-hour chart, see, it is coming out of this and higher lows it has created. Now this is trying to give you a breakout. So yes, one can remain short till the time it is below 2215. Right now it is looking forward to 2200 and 2190 levels. This level at 2190 probably will be a good support, then 2180, and below that we may see a good fall till towards 2160 levels. This is one probability which can happen. I'll not expect it to drop till towards 2160, but these are markets. Till the time it trades below 2215, one can remain short. The directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought, indicates may try to drop a little. MACD is bullish here but trying to converge, indicating that bullishness is diminishing. RSI is near to top there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that silver is still trading in this upward trending channel. But this is the channel in which it is trading. However, look at these last two candles. Double top is done here. It failed to sustain about 2200 and now trading with again a slightly bearish bias. The only bearish confirmation today is if it breaks 2180, one can expect that it is going to trade bearish in the near future, where one can expect 2160 2140 levels. So I'll be watchful of this. If it breaks 2180 and sustains below, one can definitely expect 2160 levels in the near future. Also look at this, see these three candles getting stronger resistance at 2215 levels, and hence the first expectation for silver to come back till towards 2200. They could be, this is the first target, and below 2200 we can see a good break till towards 2190 and 2180 levels. Strong support there. How it behaves at those levels, that is going to important. It may try to bounce back, or it, because it is still in the bullish channel which is upward trending. So I'll be cautious till 2180 to continue with the shorts. However, one can remain short for below 2200, that is for sure. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought levels, trying to converge and crossover for a sell. The MACD is similarly bullish, but it is just two candles before which it is crossed over for a buy move. Probably I will be watchful. It is trying to swing a bit here. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, looking at the slope here and looking at the highs here, it appears the retracement is done and it is ripe for a good break. But look at the previous two candles here, flat bottom, flat top, indicating a slightly sideways movement. So on the downside there is a strong support, on the upside there is a stronger resistance for it. 2170 to 2220 levels, it is traded in precisely in this zone itself. And yes, any breakout beyond 2220, very good level to go long. Beyond that, one can expect that it is going to give you at least 2135, 2235, 2240 levels first target, then 2250 the next target. Beyond that, it will definitely fly. Because the previous to previous candle was red and there was a strong reversal, it appears probably it may continue to, if it breaks 2220, there could be a very strong move. However, till the time it trades below 2220, I'll be expecting it to 190 and 2180, which is going to be a stronger support. And yes, 2170 the next support level. Below that it may try to fall strongly. Now look at the charts here. See, on the daily chart, this is the candle. Look at this, the resistance here is still there and it is trying to trade within this. So I'll be still very much I'll not expect it to reverse, or I'll not consider this as extremely bearish till it is about 2180, and then 2170 levels are for sure. These two levels are something I will be watchful of. Till the time it trades is in this, one can expect that it can try to give you little swings on the upside and downside both ways. So probably for the day, yes, you can remain short below 2200, then 2190, 2180, 2170 can be achieved. Yes, any of these levels it can try to bounce back again. So be cautious, trade only with a stop loss at cost, or please close your uh, trades at each of these milestones and re-enter again. Also on the upside, if it breaks 2220, there could be a stronger move on the upside towards 2235, 2250 and then 2260 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.